We are waiting for Mark's Son IRL to start his stream. And we are going to be cooking with him today. There he is.
That is his name when he streams.
Mark's Stream
Right,
IRL.
testing this different
Oh,
stuff today,
shoot. We don't have an apron.
We do have aprons.
Oh, we got aprons? Hold up. This is an emergency.
We have two.
Kitchen, first of all.
My grandma made
I'm
them.
gonna see,
Grandma made them.
Yeah,
All
it's all
right.
good.
Looks like we
To
got
be
flowers
honest,
and more
I have-
flowers is our option. No, this is just like a dress. I'm good.
Oh, you don't like my grandma's
11
apron?
viewers already.
I do. I think they're great.
Okay,
I just think it'd be better if you wore it.
Cooking along. So, I think Dana and Henry are cooking along today, so
Yes,
our rice
sir.
ready to go. Take it step by step here. We got plenty of time, obviously. The rice does take a while to cook, but rice cooker, saucepan, anything.
We got the rice cooker popping. We're ready.
Ready? Got our container of rice ready. Got our onion.
We have whatever this is.
That's for it to start the.
Oh,
Let's go ahead
I
and
thought it was a
shove
car
that
key.
in with
We're
our
about to commit Grand Theft Auto.
So he got an entire chicken. So I think he's got a lot more prep work than we do. And I didn't think the two of us could eat an entire chicken.
I wonder what he's gonna do with the whole chicken.
I don't know.
Now that I have this chicken,
We have a chicken skin though, do we?
We don't have
this
skin
large
now.
stock pot.
Is that an issue?
Our stock pot. This is what you're looking for. This is gonna definitely hold the chicken and whatever aromatics we put into the broth. So I'm looking to fill this about 3/4 of the way up. Let's get the chicken ready to be put into the broth. And what we're gonna do is gonna be a weird method, but we're actually gonna just put a bunch of salt on this chicken,
Okay.
and we're gonna give it a nice massage.
I really massage this chicken.
It's gonna look like too much. Like I don't want this to look like an episode of Marco or something, but this in here, we're not gonna get like a better with you that night.
So your vote for the Pokemon that you would want to eat them was Tauros.
Probably Tauros, yeah.
Michael Blaziken.
Lazy. It's so skinny. There's no meat on those bones.
Or maybe like Buskin. Maybe a little bit there.
And take a green onion and a red knife here.
Green onion?
This part is very nice for flavoring and bring it to a broth. It's got a celebrate and
It's so touchy.
this part is a lot more firm.
I just got bonked by a green onion. What are you gonna do about it?
Who's sad?
I've cleaned all this or washed
Okay.
it.
Alright, wash it.
Thank you. I lost
This.
throwing onions at you. I love green onions. Don't they smell amazing?
Green onion is so good.
We're going to use the green onion as a garnish. Hopefully for
We're gonna use the white parts in the stock and the green parts at the end.
the broth as well, with just a little bit of green onion.
We got both of our ends of our onion.
This will be, this bunch right here is probably going to be enough green onions.
He has way more than us.
He's way more than we do.
That's okay.
7 or 8 cloves.
Or smash it.
But hey, good.
Should be able to just like put the knife down and smash it right. So yeah, using a sieve anyways to make sure that so if you have the rice cooker ready to put
Right.
So if we have a rice cooker, do we not need to wash our rice?
Well, I think he's watching it and he has a rice cooker.
If you have a rice cooker, you still wash the rice. Yes, absolutely right. The main thing is the rice is so starchy when it comes out of the bag that it really doesn't look great when you do that.
I'm learning.
So
We are learning today.
washing camera coming up, but as soon as you can see here, I just run my hand through it.
Oh,
You can see
wow.
this, like,
You want to get a rice washing
one thing
pan
is
for
like
him?
it's a lot. It's a
A
lot
rice
starch,
washing what?
So you're gonna get like this grainy.
Split up.
I have the toy pot.
That works. Never washed my rice before.
You wash the rice until it's clear. And that liquid's looking a lot more clear.
Yeah. It has a starch contrast from when we started. So I scratched myself when I was putting together the storage thing, and I didn't know that I scratched myself until I started washing the salty chicken.
I have a skillet here. I think it's a good time to get this chicken skin into the pan. Working on our chicken skin.
You don't have chickens.
hypothetically, if our chicken doesn't have skin, what do we do? If you can, it depends on what cut of chicken you have, Henry. Some chicken fat, I would try to utilize some of that. Or as another alternative, if you have like bacon would be really good right now. Because all we're doing with this is we're just crisping it up so that we can reuse this in the rice and rehydrate it and like elevate the rice.
We do have a little bit of fat.
Okay.
We need.
We're making very small. Now we're gonna chop garlic.
You're chopping the other garlic?
So this is the garlic for the rice.
You want to see a life hack for having the garlic?
It never works for me as well. Make it look fun.
I'm not even doing it right.
I'm worried myself.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry.
Tears stream down your face.
I lied though. The water. I can see some oils. We have some sauce.
And this is a strong onion. It got me.
We have more aromatics to that as well. So yeah, we got a boil. Perfect. All right. So a solo show for about 5 minutes in there. You know this. It's a scientific thing, but there's an enzyme in onions when it gets released. It tears your eyes apart. So yeah, we're gonna give that about 5 minutes.
Green onion dueling, you won't, coward. Yo, this one's all wobbly.
I got a better one.
Because
Oh, yeah?
this flavor that we're putting out here.
Fuck!
Just because, like, if there is an audience.
He's going to town on that salt.
Going to town on the salt, okay.
Version of the sauce, right? So you think about this dish, and it's all about this oily, fatty chicken that's been like, absorbed into this rice that you make this wonderful rice, and it's very rich, right? So the only thing that we need is we need something to cut through it. And like, what's the best thing to cut through acidity with? You need acidity, cut through fat with. You need acidity, and you need spice. Those are the two things that we need to focus on.
What?
That's not bad.
Okay.
Mark, I am basic AF, so. Zest and actual lemon, as if. I have no idea if this one's gonna turn out.
Chicken once it comes out, we'll take some sesame oil and basically, like, once it's cooled down, just give it a complete cover, and then you're gonna tend to boil and just set it aside until we're ready to serve the rice. It's the cooking process because it's that skin is shrinked up a little bit.
Don't put it on your neck.
All you really care about is
That's worse.
like,
I'd rather you put it on my neck.
underneath, right?
That actually feels pretty good. No, please! Did you just drop it down there?
No. You just in the broth? Is that the broth or is it the sauce?
That's the hot sauce.
How bad is it?
Comes out too fast. It snuck up on you, didn't it?
It does, yeah. Ooh, what are these ones for?
Those are for garnish at the end.
You know, basically that.
Not for bonking. On guard! Square up.
I got a way thicker one.
Oh, you got a thick boy. Hold up. I'm about to get some reinforcements. Alright, I feel like this is even. Alright. We have to bow. We have to touch tips. Alright.
Just a tip.
I got freaking whooped. But it's actually an onion. Nom 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 nom.
I would ask you a question. I was browsing the pantry.
What?
First bite reaction?
Boom.